Hey Karen, this is Steve Hubbard, and I want to let you know I did do all the tasks that you wanted me to do for you. Also, I wanted to create a video because I wanted to show you how to do a blog, because we have a service where we can actually do the blogs for you. So I'll show you how to do the blogs with these ones, and then it'll let you know how you can actually post blogs, or you can purchase our service where we actually post blogs for you. But let me show you how to post a blog. So here is your blogs right here. All right. So what you want to first do is let's go ahead and copy all this information. Okay. Copy all that, and then when you log into the back end, you want to go to where it says posts. Okay. And then once you go to post, you hit add new. And then just paste it right here in the body for right now. Okay, because what we got here is we have um, encourage your student and child's exploration. So that's going to be put here in the title. Okay, so let's just get rid of some of these blanks places. Okay, and so now what you want to do is add some heading tags, because heading tags are important. So what I'll do is make a space there. I'm gonna have to make a heading tag here, so we'll go with H2, and then we want to go with a different heading tag here. So we're gonna go skip one, do H4. That way, the heading tags, and just also get into the habit of putting keywords into some of these areas that we're gonna put heading tags on, and also the description as well. Because what's gonna happen is the search engine is gonna look in those areas to figure out, how they want to pursue um, aligning you up with keywords that are pertaining to your industry. So then once you get that in there, it's also recommended that you add actual image inside here. So we'll just find an image. Let's just see. Today there's a lot of pressure with students. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just add an image here. If you have a particular image, you can actually replace it, but I just want to add an image. Here's an image of a student. So we can probably use that for right now. Let's go ahead and import that. So when you're importing an image, you want to click on the image after you import it, hit that little pencil button. I'm hitting the left arrow, and then you can actually choose what size you want as well. You can customize the size or do a thumbnail. I'm just going to do a thumbnail, and then you can also choose a caption, but I'm just going to go ahead and hit update, and there you go. It's going to align it to the left. And let's see, encouraging your student and child's. So I'm just going to take this heading, go back to this picture, and I'm going to open up the advanced options. I'm going to make sure I have an alt attribute title there, and that's all I need there, but I also want to put it into here as well. I don't need to put it into the caption, because if I put it into the caption, it's going to actually show on the right underneath the picture, so I don't want to do that unless I'm going to be doing that. Next thing you do, okay, is you want to choose a format, and this is just a standard text, so you don't need to worry about any of the other formats. And then what you want to do is you want to pick a category. So the categories we do have are career, certification, programs, and uncategorized, which I'm going to clear that for you in just a second. Encourage your student and child's career exploration. Okay, so let's go with career. Do you have one for careers? Boom, there you go. And then you also want to choose a tag. So there are some tags already here. So you can just click choose from the most used tags, and then just click careers, because it's lining up with careers. And then you definitely want to pick a featured image. So we want to pick a featured image. Let's see. We could probably pick this one because it shows students. That's a featured image. And you also want to make sure that the title, the alt tag, and the descriptions are all have some sort of keyword phrase in there. And then you just hit set featured image. Um, once you're done with that, okay, you should be ready to post. Now it's going to post to all these areas. Now, if you want this to post on a certain date, you just click on publish immediately, click on edit, and then you can choose whatever date you want. And I'll show you that on the other post that I do for you. So once you're done, once you're finished, everything looks good, you can actually do a preview if you wanted to of the post. So you just click preview. And then that's what the preview would look like. Okay. All right. And if everything looks good, what you want to do is close that out and then go back over here, and then you just hit publish. And it will publicize to all these social media accounts as well. Okay. All right. So that one's done. So what we want to do is what we want to do now is go back here, and we want to do another one. So we're just going to copy all this information. The image we're going to have to do separately. So we're going to actually have to take this image, save it as a picture, and we're going to have to save it to our desktop. Okay. Save it there. And so I'm going to grab all this stuff. Okay, so I'm going to copy all this. Copy. Then we're going to go back to posts, or you can just click on add new. Either one. But if you go to add new, it's just going to go right into a new one. But if you go to posts, it's going to bring you back up to all the posts. So we're going to click add new. Okay. So again, we're going to paste everything here just to kind of get an idea. We're going to take this. This is the heading of the post. So we're going to put that right in there. And get rid of some of the spaces. You got that there automatically. And so now we want to put in our heading tags. So let's go ahead and make a space for that. And then find another period. There we go. And so we want to make this again. I want to make it all uniform. So this is going to be H2. And this one's going to be H4. There we go. So now we got that, and this is what, okay, what does the Holland themes have to do with career coaching and development? Okay, so this one, we can put another image. Okay, let's just see here. Let's put this image, or maybe just this image for now. And then we want to choose, let's go ahead and import that. I don't like that image because it's too long, so let's add another one. I want to add just a square one, like about this size. So it's about 300 by 300. That's the kind of size I'm looking for. I guess I can go into this one. Edit it. And scale it down. 300. But no, that's a, see that watermark there, so that image isn't going to work. So let's see. I don't want to use that big image over here. I want to use the big image for the featured because it's big and it's gonna show big. But I guess in this situation we can probably use it. So let's go ahead and exit. Add a media and hit cancel. Go to upload files, select files, and we're going to add that. And where'd you have it? You had it under code, so we're just going to add that under code. Insert, and we're going to click on it, and I'm going to drag it down to put the cursor there, and I'm going to click on it again, hit the little pencil button. There's going to be none, and I'm going to look at the full size, and then we just click on that, and that's added. We're going to get rid of this one. We don't need that. Okay, so now we need to add a featured image, but before we do that, we want to put a, let's see, career coach development. Okay, certification programs, careers, and then careers, and then a featured image. So let's go ahead and we could probably use this one now because it's a big, and so we're just gonna click on that. That's gonna be the featured image, and then we just go ahead and hit publish. Nope, we don't want to publish that. We actually want to put this 2 weeks out, so we're going to hit this, and it's December 6th, so probably on the 20th. 20th December update. So now that's going to publish then. I did have some of these links on there too, so I think these should go there too. So let me copy these. Helpful links. You can also, copy, highlight all these, and then go up top here, and you can choose the bulleted list there, and it'll bullet them for you. Okay, and so that's done, and we're just going to hit update again. And we're going to grab the last one. There's the last one. Okay, and this time we're going to go to post because I want to show you where it shows you that it's scheduled. Okay, so it says it's scheduled for the 20th. Let's go ahead and click add new. I'm just going to paste everything in the body. We're going to grab this title, put it there, and then we're going to get rid of any unnecessary spaces. And then we're going to get ready for our heading tags, which that looks just fine. So let's go with heading 2 and then heading 4. And this is about, let's see, do you need okay. So let's add an image. Click on there, add new media. Okay, so let's just see. It's a big image there. Let's click on that one. Nope, that's too small. That one's too big. probably gonna have to find an image because we can't find any good enough here. New vocation. Just go open up Google. I'm just gonna do what's your passion and images. Okay. It's a good image. Save that. Desktop. Okay. And now you want to find a bigger image because that one's a small one. Well, actually, no, the entire, that's about Susie. So we're going to have to resize that one once we get that one uploaded. So let's start that upload now. Add media, upload, select. Okay. And then we'll find another one. It's a good one. That's a good size too, so let's say that. That's going to be the featured image. So save there. And let's go ahead and upload that one too. Okay, so now we got these two images here. I'm going to add this one, but I'm going to, okay, so it's a small image, 254, and this one is 899. So I'm going to go ahead and add this one. But let's just exit out of here because I want to make sure I'm adding it to the right place. So click my cursor here, add, and then I want to add some text here. So let's just go back here. Let me just take this whole thing. Take that whole thing. Boom, boom. And then put that here. And then just add that, insert that. Click on the image. Click on the pencil. Go a line left. Put my alt attribute there. And then update. And there you go. So now we need to give it a category. Okay, so fashion. Career coaching. Okay. So let's just go careers again. Careers. Okay. Now you could set new ones too. You could just add a new one there or add a new one here. But let's go ahead and add the location. Boom, boom, boom. And we're going to add that one as the featured image. All right. And then we're going to set a date. Remember last one was the 20th, right? So we want to go 2 weeks from there. 20th, 1, 2, so it's going to be the 3rd of January. So let's go 03. Let's go January. And let's change that to 17. And then you hit publish. And there you have it. They will publish on their own. And that's it. So if you need any more help, just let me know. Contact me and we'll help you out. Thank you so much and bye for now.